Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to improve startup time. I show you guys how to do it. Improving startup times for Windows 10 and Windows 11 can make your computing experience smoother and more efficient. Here are 7 tips and tricks to help speed up your system's startup process. First, disable unnecessary startup programs. Many programs are set to launch at startup, which can slow down the boot process. To disable that, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. In here, you need to review the list of startup programs. You need to right click on any unnecessary programs and select Disable it, guys. After doing it, you just need to close stuff here. The second step is to enable fast startup. Fast startup combines elements of a cold shutdown and hibernation, speeding up the boot process. To enable that, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select power options. Select choose what the power buttons do and select change the settings that are currently unavailable and check mark the turn on fast startup option and select save changes. After doing this, let's move on to the third step. The third step is to update your operating system. Keeping Windows updated ensure you have the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. To update that, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After doing this, let's move on to the fourth step, guys. The fourth step is to upgrade to an SSD. Replacing a traditional HDD with an solid state drive SSD can drastically improve startup times, guys. The fifth step is to adjust virtual memory settings. Optimizing virtual memory settings can improve overall system performance. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under the performance, select settings. Select the advanced tab and under the virtual memory, select change. And you just need to uncheck this option, guys. Automatically manage pegging file size for all drives. Uncheck it and then select a custom size. And now you just need to type the installer size, the recommended value, guys. In my case, 2939. After typing it, you just need to check my video description for the maximum size. You just need to copy the value. In my case, I have 16 GB of RAM. That's why I'm copying this value. Just to copy it and paste it. After pasting it, select OK for save changes. Select OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. It will ask you to restart your PC. Go ahead and restart your PC, guys. After restarting your PC, let's move on to the sixth step. The sixth step is to clean up your disk. Removing unnecessary files and programs can free up resources and improve startup times. To do this, go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Select the C drive and select OK. Select checkmark everything listed over here. And after checkmarking it, select OK. Select delete files. After doing this, let's move on to the seventh step. The seventh step is to optimize the system configuration. Tweaking system configurations can streamline startup progresses. To do this, go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up with system configuration, click on open it. Select the boot tab and you just need to check the box in the no GUI boot to skip the Windows logo during startup. and go to Services tab and select checkmark the hide all Microsoft services. And now you need to disable any unnecessary third-party services starting up in the startup. You just need to uncheck it, guys. In my case, I just checked the NVIDIA services. That is the important thing. Other things I disabled it. After doing this, select apply and OK for safetyness. Select the restart option and restart your PC. Implementing these steps can significantly reduce your startup time, allowing for a faster and more efficient Windows experience. Regular maintenance such as updating your system and cleaning up disk space will help keep your computer running smoothly in the long run. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.